Driverless cars may very well be the way of the future, but there's been a major flaw. They struggle to function in poor weather conditions, until now. This is Gasha, the first autonomous vehicle in history that can function in anything from a blizzard to a heat wave. The shuttle has been the design product of a unique partnership between Muji, a Japanese retail company, and Sensible 4, an autonomous vehicle development company out of Finland. Muji is responsible for engineering the weatherproof vehicle, while Sensible 4 designed the smart software to function in heavy rain, fog, heat, and snow. And Finland's harsh winter weather has proved the perfect testing ground for Sensible 4's autonomous equipment. The Gasha features 4 LiDAR emitters, 8 radar emitters, 360 camera coverage, and GPS. And it's environmentally friendly as a completely electric vehicle that ranges 100 kilometers per charge. Gasha will make its public debut in March 2019 in Helsinki, with the first production fleet available in 2020. By 2021, the company projects that the vehicles will be used as an everyday transportation service. For the Weather Network, I'm Michelle Mackey.